All right guys, welcome back. So as you can see, the motor is now in the car. So all of that went pretty smooth yesterday. We got it stabbed in the car, got all that bolted back up, transmissions in it, drive shafts in it. So now comes the tedious part of transitioning all into the engine bay. So running all the wiring for the ECUs and running all the coolant system for the intercoolers is going to be the most time consuming part. But we should have this thing buttoned up within about 2 work days. Time lapse it of all of this mess. Yeah, this is a bike correct that I'm tired of having. Break it in on conventional to seat the rings, and then we'll put full synthetic in it. It'll be a little bit, but it will be today. It will start.
Hell yeah.
What else you got to do?
I gotta flash the original base map from last time back on it, because all those revisions are not gonna matter. So I'm gonna flash the base map on it. And of course it has no coolant in it, which is fine. I'm gonna fire it up without coolant, because I do that to seat the head gaskets on brand new motors. Then power steering fluid, like brakes are gonna have to be flushed. So like we still need a top off transmission fluid and hang the exhaust, and so like we got a little while, but it will start. Yes, before anybody points it out, I'm using cheap conventional oil because it's first startup and it's all gonna come right back out.
It's what Will uses in the Audi.
So don't blame
No,
me.
I don't. I use liquid moly.
Done on purpose. I'm not spending $200 on oil that I'm just going to turn around and drain right back out. And that is not the right oil.
Except for Gage's
Sweet.
tractor.
Gage, you order some 1540? Did you order some 1540 diesel oil?
That seems like
I got
shit,
2
though.
cases of what I wanted and then some 1540.
Somebody saw 5 and the 40 said,
Boom, that's what it is. There's a 5 in there.
Not using that. You ready? We're ready to start. Maybe. Turn it over, let it build up oil pressure. I got the fuel pump fuse pulled right now, so it shouldn't fire. It might bust off a little because I did have the hose connected earlier, but I don't know. We'll see if it turns over.
that's close. He was just building oil pressure there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the fuel pump disconnected.
Yeah. That started.
Was that the first crank?
Yeah.
It fires right up.
Fired right up. The coolant system's all sorts of mad. What the fuck are you doing to me?
Yo, you know. On these, with the value shit. But, you know, the M54 has steel liners from the back.
I'm ready to go. Passenger. I'm ready to go. I don't like this game anymore. It's kind of sketchy.
You'll be fine.
Big boy jammer.
Why is that going on? Open downpipe, baby. Come on.
That's why.
Cross brace.
close, and I'll give you a little rev.
I can hear it in there. No, I don't. Like easier? Hold on. And each
She's out of the shot. It's got a chop to it for
does
sure.
have a chop to
It does. That's cams.
Arcade cams are rowdy, and it's still tripping me out because it's a noise that it didn't have before.
Yeah.
But overall, it runs. We haven't driven it yet. The car's filthy and needs a bath. It's got Valvetronics' new titanium setup on it, and I don't know. I'll say run it down the street, see how it feels, make sure it does okay. Gauge is in there being loud.
So
I
is
put
this
a
like
new steering angle sensor in it today, so I hope I have the paddle shifts back. Because last time, you know, we didn't have them.
Yeah.
So we can test that out too.
Was it on like a base map?
Yeah. So it's fully 85 base map from ECM Tuner, and I sent him an idle log this morning on cold start, because normally these will lean out on initial base maps just from all the stuff that just got done, front mount intakes and the cams and the fueling and all of that. It's cold outside, so ish. So sent that to him, waiting on that to come back, and other than that, man, she's ready to get cleaned up and drive and see if it makes any new weird noises or whatever. But it runs. It's been like 18 months and it moves under its own power.
Yeah.
We can run it down the street if you want.
Cool. Let's do it.
I need to go get a tag for it because it's out of date.
Riding dirty.
I went to look and it's like, oh, that's like 6 months out of date. Let's go see how she feels. Oh, yes.
Hell yeah.
Last time I didn't get to drive it with the paddles at all, and it was so disappointing.
Did you have to use the...
Yeah, I had to use the shifter. Sucked. Feels good.
Shifts are so crisp.
And it's in efficient mode. I gotta be nice to it. I don't want to. I want to hit it. I can't. It's went like from the yard to there. Changed it once. We let it run for about 30 minutes, drain the oil, change the filter from having all the like assembly lube and all that stuff in there. So then I'll run it on this oil till the first oil change, and then I'll switch it to synthetic. I'll probably change the oil honestly like 2 or 3 times. Just I'm overly cautious.
Sounds so good.
yesterday, and we'll see if it does it when we get back. The dual mass flywheel seemed to be making a lot of noise when it was at idle, and it didn't happen until after the car was warmed up. And apparently, like, it's a really common problem. The springs will get wore out and they bend and do weird things. So once we get back, we'll check it and see if the noise is there, close the valves on the exhaust and listen to it. And if they are, then we'll proceed with a different route and I'll change it. But for now, we'll just take it on a test drive and see what happens.
This is still so trippy.
It is.
Isaac was coming. Damn.
It's quiet.
That's real quiet.
It's like stock. I think I'm more excited about my paddles working than the car driving itself.
See, I don't hear that flywheel right now at all.
I don't either. And it, like, we'll see. It did it when it was warm, after the car warmed up. I guess is normal. Well, not normal. Normal when they're wore out. Let's see. Here, a little bit.
Yeah. Crazy. Back on the street. Sounds crazy. That was 2K? Oh my god. Okay, that's crazy. I definitely thought that was like 5.
I wish I could.
Yeah.
Soon.
Soon enough.
We hope.
Look how dirty. You can hear the turbo whistle. That's crazy. Sounds so cool. Massive difference with valves closed. bit. It's so random.
Yeah, it's intermittent. So we do have a solution, well, from what we're being told. See that? With it in neutral and the load off, I can hear it. So what we're talking about is there's a noise coming from right here and straight up in the bell housing. The flywheel, you can see, has a wobble to it. And so I called Clutch Masters because I had found they had a 8-sprung single mass flywheel developed for this car, and I wanted to kind of check and see like reviews or this and that and the other because I couldn't find any information on it. Luis told me that it's 50-50 on customers saying that, you know, it's got a lot of flywheel chatter and noise and this and that and the other, but I'm used to that from a 3-pedal car. Anytime you do a single mass flywheel conversion, they have clutch chatter, and then you raise the RPM and it goes away. But what he did say is if I want to go that route, they're doing R&D on a 10-sprung instead of the 8-sprung to reduce the noise. So I think if we do it, we're going to go that route, and we'll get one bought for this car. So that noise is going to bother me, and especially with all the bad luck that we've had with this build, that's going to drive me crazy. So we're going to get one ordered and do that in probably the next video. I'd say, yeah, other than that, get this thing cleaned up and get some beauty shots of it.
Cool.
You know what we've never done either?
Huh?
Rollers. We don't have any of
None?
this car. None.
Like, you mean moving?
Either one. We don't have still shots or moving from rolling.
I think
We did that one little shoot right here
Yeah.
that you and Samad shot.
Yeah.
And that's all I have of the M5. When we tried to do rollers together, Samad didn't get any pictures, and
Oh yeah.
yeah, so we got nothing. We have some video from when we got the exhaust clips last time, but that's it. Just that reels and stuff. I'm excited. So we got one little gremlin that we're gonna chase down, and we're pretty positive we know exactly what it is. Well, not pretty positive. We verified it. I heard it on a lift, so I know what it is. So, you know, just more money, because this thing's a money pit. So we'll get a flywheel being built, and then we'll document that and see. Because I would imagine, I've never put one in a DCT car. I've done clutches and everything else. I haven't done one of these flywheels. But I would imagine just from going to dual mass to single mass, it's going to be lighter, spin faster, shifts are going to be different. So yeah, I'll be anxious to document that and kind of see what we can do. What do you think, Trevor?
I'm just happy it's running.
I was gonna say, you've been a part of this for the whole journey. I've been through hell and back with this car.
Yeah, it's just, I'm happy to see it move.
Agreed. I'm more thrilled with that than anything else.
Yeah.
It moves on its own accord.
Yeah.